So good morning students. In this class we discuss about series resonance. So what mean by series resonance? Series resonance is the property of a series RLC circuit. A series RLC circuit at a specified frequency when it acts as a pure resistive circuit. Pure resistive circuit is known as series resonance. Or we can say series resonance is a state of RLC series circuit at a specific frequency where our circuit acts as a pure resistive circuit. So this state of RLC series circuit is known as series resonance. Okay. Now we consider a series RLC circuit. Excited with AC source V, AC supply, and frequency as resistance R, inductance L, capacitance C. Reactance of inductor is XL, reactance of capacitor is XC minus J plus. Current flowing in the circuit is I. So we can as per definition of series resonance, or circuit acts as a pure resistive circuit at a specific frequency. That specific frequency is known as resonance frequency. So here our circuit acts as a pure resistive circuit. It means effect of inductor and effect of capacitor is neglected. So we can say that V is equal to IR plus J IXL minus IXC, or we can say V is equal to IR plus J to I XL minus XC. Since at resonance circuit is pure resistive. So XL minus XC बराबर 0. In this state, when we put XL minus XC 0, then our circuit becomes pure resistive circuit. So now we can write XL बराबर XC, and in next case XL बराबर XC, XL is equal to omega L and XC is equal to 1 upon omega C. So omega square is equal to 1 upon LC and omega is equal to 1 upon under root LC, where omega is angular frequency. omega is angular frequency in radian. So frequency hertz f is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. So this frequency is known as resonance frequency. Resonance frequency. Resonance frequency. This frequency f0 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC is known as resonance frequency because at this frequency our circuit acts as a pure resistive circuit or circuit is in resonance. So that we can say this frequency is resonance frequency. Now behavior of the circuit in resonance. Circuit behavior. Circuit behavior in resonance. In resonance, we know that current in the circuit is in series RLC circuit. In series RLC circuit. In resonance. In resonance. Here current is I is equal to V upon Z. So we can say that V upon under root R square plus XL minus XC square. In resonance, current I बराबर V upon R. So in case of resonance, current in the circuit increase because Z is reduced. So we can say that these are the impact of resonance in series RLC circuit. Second, power factor. Power factor of the circuit is equal to R upon Z cos phi. We can say that cos phi is equal to R upon Z. Here cos phi is equal to R upon Z, where Z is equal to R is equal to 1. So in case of resonance, power factor of the circuit is 1. Or here power factor cos phi is equal to R upon Z. Next we see that here cos phi is equal to R upon under root R square minus plus XL minus XC का whole square. If XL is greater than XC, first. Second, if XC is greater than XL. When XL is greater than XC, the circuit is inductive. When XC is greater than XL, circuit becomes capacitive circuit. Inductive circuit, capacitive circuit. Now these 4 points we can write here. Now we can say that in series resonance, Z is equal to R, means impedance of circuit increases, impedance of circuit reduces, impedance of the circuit reduce, decrease, decrease. Second, I बराबर V upon Z in resonance V upon R. Current in the circuit, current in the circuit, current in the circuit increases. At resonance, current in the circuit increases. Third point is power factor. Power factor cos phi is equal to R upon Z. At resonance, Z is equal to R is equal to 1. So we can say that at resonance, power factor of the circuit is 1. Power factor of the circuit is unity. Power factor of the circuit is unity. So these are the states of series RLC circuit. In resonance, impedance of the circuit decrease, current in the circuit increase, and power factor of the circuit becomes unity in series resonance conditions. Now, if we want to draw phasor, last point is for both voltage and current are in same phase. Voltage and current in the circuit are in same phase. Now, if we draw phasor for voltage and current, so at resonance, this is JXC, JXL, IJXL, and this is R. Current is I. So power factor is unity. Current is in the circuit is IR at resonance. 90 degree, 90 degree. XL बराबर XC, VL बराबर VC. So VL minus VC is equal to 0. So in series resonance or circuit is your resistive circuit. So current and voltage both are in same phase. Now, next is effect of frequency on resonance. Effect of frequency. Effect of frequency. F less than F0. Second is when F is greater than F0. F0 is resonance frequency and F1 and F2. We can write F before resonance frequency before resonance frequency, after resonance frequency, after resonance frequency, after resonance frequency. So we know that before resonance frequency XL is equal to omega and XC is equal to 1 upon omega c. So we can say that XC will be greater than XL. Circuit is capacitive circuit. Circuit is capacitive circuit. Circuit is capacitive circuit. Power factor cos phi is equal to R upon under root R square plus XC minus XL square, that is leading. Current I is equal to V upon Z, V upon under root R square plus XC minus XL का whole square. Similarly, behavior of circuit after resonance frequency. So after resonance frequency, we know that XL is omega L and XC is 1 upon omega C. So if F is greater than F0, so we can say that XL is greater than XC. Circuit is inductive circuit. Circuit is inductive circuit. Inductive circuit. Power factor cos phi is equal to R upon Z is equal to R upon under root R square plus XL minus XC square. Lagging. Power factor is lagging. Current in the circuit I is equal to V upon Z or V upon under root R square plus XL minus XC square. So this is the current in the RLC series circuit after resonance frequency. So here we have seen that behavior of circuit before resonance frequency and behavior of circuit after resonance frequency. Before resonance frequency means if operating frequency is less than resonance frequency. So we know that reactive impedance reactance of inductor, that is omega L, is greater than or is less than capacitive reactance, that is XC, is equal to 1 upon omega C. So in this case our circuit becomes capacitive circuit. So power factor of circuit will be leading and current in the circuit is V by Z, so it will reduce. Current in the circuit before resonance frequency will be less than at resonance frequency. In next case, after resonance frequency, XL is omega L and XC is 1 upon omega C. So when F is greater than F0, so XL is greater than XC. XL is greater than XC means our circuit is inductive circuit. So in case of inductive circuit, power factor cos phi is equal to R by Z. So it will be lagging. Now current in the circuit I is V by Z, V upon under root R square plus XL minus XC square. It will decrease. So we can say that in RLC series circuit, current is maximum at resonance condition. At resonance current in the circuit is maximum. Current in the circuit is maximum. Before resonance, current will decrease. After resonance frequency, current will also decrease. So in all the cases, current in the circuit decrease, but current is maximum at resonance. So now, if we draw beaker for RLC series resonance, next is beaker. Inverted beaker हो या power factor versus frequency curve. F, this is PF. So we obtain the curve is inverted beaker. Current, this is resonance frequency, before resonance, after resonance. Cos phi equal to R by that equal to 1 at this point. So resonance frequency, power factor in the circuit is R by Z. So this is power factor curve versus frequency curve. Frequency curve. Thank you for today class.